Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console off and detaching the Joy-Con. This prevents shorting. Once done, remove the 4 tri-wing screws along the rail and lift the plastic back carefully. You'll see the battery and ribbon cables. Use a spudger to gently unclip the battery connector so you don't power the board while working. Next, remove the small Phillips screws securing the midframe. This exposes the analog module. Make sure screws stay paired to their holes to preserve fit and alignment. You'll now access the joystick on the PCB. Once the shield is off and ribbons are tucked away, decide whether your replacement is soldered or plug-in. If soldered, heat each pad and lift the old module. If clip style, gently pry out the clip. When you fit the new joystick, align the tabs exactly as the original. This preserves tactile feel and calibration. Solder cleanly with minimal bridge risk. Apply flux and reflow joints, then trim excess. Once secure, visually confirm contacts and movement before reassembly. You finish by reversing the disassembly. Replace the midframe, reattach ribbon cables and battery connector, then reinstall the 4 tri-wing screws. Once the Joy-Con is buttoned up, pair it to the console and run the calibration in system settings so the firmware recognizes the new neutral point. Make sure stick motion is smooth and returns to center. If it doesn't, power down and reopen to check solder joints or seating. Troubleshooting tip. Persistent drift often means a cold solder joint or contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.